Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And today is not a card making video, it's a small album which I made for my niece. And she always loved this kind of album. She called them a different kind of books. Yeah, so yeah, for this I use Eco Park's A Little Dreamer Girl. I use this paper pack and it came with this small nice little cards like these, like nice sayings on them, as well as I bought another sticker with them. And I have lots of plenty of them, like I didn't use them, so that she can use while putting her photos on it. So let's jump into the album. I put this small kind of ribbons there in the three colors, the sky blue and the olive green and the dark magenta color. Then I use these flowers from paper mat and these flowers from paper roses, and these leaves and all the things for paper roses. These laces are in my stash, and I use these little dreamer from the collection. First I thought that I should put her name, but then I thought like no, rather than putting her name, little dreamer will be more nicer. So inside this I gonna put these are the two sisters. They're gonna share this album. Maybe if they are not sharing, still they have the common photos, so they're gonna use that. So these girls are kind of a best friends and they play together. One is 8 years old and another is 5 years old, so they can put their photo here. And then goes like this, so they can put the photo here and here also. So basic idea is they can put lots of photo, as well as they can do journaling also. If they want to write something, they can write on here, and they can do the photo thing here. Here I use this stencil which came in a, I think this one is from the MFT or lawn form. Oh my god. So this is the stencil or flower. I use these to make these. So I use lots of stencils. I'll show you which stencils I use. I use this one like a starburst. This is one for MFT. This one is from the waves, is from the Simon Says. Then this one is from the waffle flower, and this one is for the, yeah, this one is also from the waffle flower. And then I use two more from the Simonses, like one is the snowflakes and heart. So yeah, these are my go-to stencils most of the times I use. And then I got some puffy stickers with these. These also I gonna give them in a packet so that they can put on their photos. Then I use some of these stamping, and for that I use these Hero Arts. This stamp is not discontinued, but you can use any flowery stamp to decorate it more. And then I put these so I can post the video how I made it. So you can see, then here I have like two pockets. In one pocket they have the journaling card where they can write something. Girls, I love to do some kind of doodling or something like that. They love to dance also. Another two tags, and they always love to do that, the kitchen set they play, so they can put all their kitchen things or the tea party photos here and here. And I have some of the tea parties stickers also, which I will give them so that they can stick on the photos there. Another thing, they can pull out this and they can, you know, write something on it like this. They can something on it. And then be brave, and I use this starburst stencil here, and beautiful girl, you can do amazing things. Another, they can put photo here and here, or they just can do the small photos. They can do the cutout of their photos and put there, and then braver, stronger, another the stamp. And this is very simple and easy to put together, but I hope they're gonna love it. And this is the waffle flower stencils, and more of the rainbows, I kind of matching those rainbows, I create that. And then you can do like this, another, I fold it as a generic card, and then I just like here like be creative. And another thing here, I use that wave stencils. Here they can put something and they can write on it, or they can just, you know, put some stickers, play outside, be bold, be brave, this kind of stuff they love. And then there's another tag I put there, and they love to dance, so they can, you know, put their dance photos here, or they can write something about it, or their mom can write something about them. And then this one, so basically I just want to create an album where that girls can put their things and they can play with it, and they can put more stuff in it, and you know, they will have fun using it. So all of these having like go flip-flop, and these sides of the tag, so they have plenty of room to put the photos, plenty of room to write something. And this is like the small photo of me, my kid, and these two girls and they're having the blast, so I just put that on the knife. And then the last one is like the twinkle little star, do you how much I loved you are, and this is like handmade by Renuka. So I'll keep the photos as well as how I make this album. So until the next crafty video, have a crafty life. Bye bye.